What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about vocal EQ frequencies. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about vocal EQ frequencies and the difference in the frequencies. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and check this out. All right, fam. So right now, just going to demonstrate exactly what you get from different frequencies when dealing with vocals in your EQ. Before we start, yes, I am using the Pro Q2. I have not upgraded to the Pro Q3. I know. But me personally, if it works, I use it, man, unless I'm forced to upgrade or unless it's some crazy features that I absolutely need. For what I use the Pro Q2 for, I really don't need to upgrade yet. I'll probably end up doing it soon. But let's go ahead and dive into this. Let me play the vocal just so you guys can hear it. And again, quality speakers or headphones are definitely recommended so you can hear exactly what these frequencies are doing. So let's play the vocal without doing anything to it.
Trust you in one spot with me at point blank range. A slim chance that y'all hit me on any given night. I feel like hard and give y'all 50. Wolves run the nation. I brought all of my dogs with me. Yeah, I'm focused on.
All right, that was the raw vocal, nothing done to it. So now I'm going to play it and show you about 0 to 85.
Hit me on any given night. I feel like
around
hard
this
and give
range
y'all
here.
50. Wolves run the nation. I brought all of my dogs with me. Yeah, I'm focused on my craft, trying to reach perfection. A lot of that floor noise,
if you can hear it.
Because failures always teach you lessons. Niggas bore me, but mention my name, I get interested. Introduce you to my closet of bodies I've been collecting. Add your name to the list, son of a bitch. I'm sick, my temp 106. I'm hunting for rich.
Again, this is around 0 to
I'm like, fuck living in fear. I'm
85
taking the risk.
hertz.
Yeah, and I ain't gotta shoot.
So now we'll go to the boominess in the vocals. That's around 100 to 300 to 350. Let's hear that.
Hating on you, controlled by the evil. When you told them that you make it, they didn't believe you. Now you here and them leashes be dying to eat you. Want a piece of the pie, eat a dick, my reply. Smile life like Mary J. Blige. Ask if I'm better than niggas, the answer's absolutely. Swear these groupies like Medusa be trying to seduce me.
But if you take too much of that out, you'll get a real thin sound, so you gotta be careful when taking that out. Next, we have the 350 to 600 range.
Yeah, I'm focused on my craft, trying to reach perfection. Never scared to fail, because failures always teach you lessons. Niggas bore me, but mention my name, I get interested.
Right,
introduce you to my closet of bodies I've been collecting.
So definitely will take that out, but be careful with taking too much out, because again, you'll get that really thin vocal. I'll
I'm like,
show
fuck
you
living
again.
in fear, I'm taking the risk. Yeah, and I ain't got to do, I take that shit.
You can really hear it right there.
Yeah, my fist is in the air like power to the people. Any nigga hating on you, controlled by the evil.
We have
when you told them that
the
you
1K to 4K range.
Now you here and them leashes be dying to eat you. Want a piece of the pie, eat a dick, my reply. Smile life like Mary J. Blige.
That's really nasally.
Better than niggas.
Let's let you hear that. This 2K right here is his real nasally point.
Nice trust you in one spot with me at point blank range. A slim chance that y'all hit me.
That's what we're taking out right there.
Nation, I brought all of my dogs with me. Yeah, I'm focused on my craft.
Next, we're going to have your S's. Your S's are going to be around 5 to 8K, just depending on the artist that you're working with. It's about 6K right here. You can hear those S's.
And any nigga in the way get thrown in the ditch. I'm like, fuck living in fear, I'm taking the risk.
All right, so lastly we have the 10 to 20K. This just adds that brightness to your vocals. Modern day sound, modern day brightness, as you can hear.
Dying to eat you, want a piece of the pie, eat a dick, my reply, smile life.
All right, so what I'll do now, let's bypass this Pro Q2. Again, we just dialed these things in quick. I wanted you guys to actually hear what these frequencies are doing. So let's play this vocal without any of these frequencies taken out, and then I'll add what we actually took out.
Nice trust, you in one spot with me at point blank range. A slim chance that y'all hit me on any given night. I feel like hard and give y'all 50.
Without.
Wolves run the nation. I brought
That
nice
without.
trust, you in one spot with me at point blank range. A slim chance that y'all hit me on any given night. I feel like hard and give y'all 50. Wolves run the nation.
As you can hear, just with these subtle EQ moves, I didn't dial anything in. We just did this thing live together. You guys can hear the difference in this vocal just by these slight EQ moves. Again, let's play it with.
Nice trust, you in one spot with me at point blank range. A slim chance that y'all hit me on any given night. I feel like hard and give y'all 50. Wolves run the nation. I brought all of my dogs with me. Yeah, I'm focused on my.
As you can hear, man, with these slight EQ moves, you could definitely hear a difference in the vocal. Now I'll solo each one of these frequencies just so you can hear exactly what it's doing.
Nice trust.
That rumble.
Hit me on any given night.
That boominess.
Run the nation. I brought all of my dogs with me.
That boxiness.
Craft trying to reach perfection.
The nasally.
Teach you lessons.
Those S's.
Introduce you to my class.
Then we add that little brightness
the
to
list,
it.
Son of a.
Again, man, these subtle EQ moves can be vital when dealing with your vocals. Like I said, you have the 0 to about 85 hertz, man. You get that rumble to 1 to 300, a little 400 in there as well. You get that boominess. Then up to about 600, you'll get that boxiness. Up to about 400, 4K, I'm sorry. That's where you'll get that nasally sound, that 5 to 8K range. That's where those S's are really prevalent. And then you just want to add a little bit of the 10 to 20K. That'll give you that brightness in the vocals nowadays, man. EQ. Yes, sir. What do you guys think about those vocal EQ frequencies, man? Just with a slight EQ moves, you can really change your mix. You can really change your vocals because different EQ frequencies definitely add different characteristics to your vocals, man. So I hope this video really helped you guys. So do me a favor, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also check out my website, mixedbygels.com. And I'll check you guys out on the next video. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.